Hi, my name is Melanie. Welcome to my channel, the Girls Gone Digital channel. I am so happy that you are here. Super grateful, super excited to share this space with you. And listen, girl, if you have been praying for a way to create and have more income, to create and have more opportunity, and to just create a way or find a way to finally live in alignment with your God given purpose, I promise you, you are in the right place. And I started this channel because there is a big gap in the digital marketing space, the digital product space. Everybody is so focused on the systems, everybody is so focused on the strategy. And while that is true, because you do need systems, you do need a strategy, that is only 20% of the battle. The rest of that 80%, it's all mindset, girl. All mindset. Your energy, your identity, who you are being. And so this is what we're going to be covering in this space because that is what truly, truly, truly changes the game. And that's going to be the foundation of everything that we do here. So on this channel, this is what you can expect to find. Tips on how to start making money, passive income with simple beginner friendly digital products. I don't care how much of a beginner you are. I don't care if you've never heard of digital products. I don't care if you've never posted an Instagram reel. I don't care if you've never posted a TikTok. I don't care if you've ever created a Facebook. This channel is going to give you beginner friendly tips on how to start creating passive income with digital products using your social media account, even as a complete beginner. You're also going to have the mindset shifts you need to push past the fear, push past the limitations, and push past any limiting beliefs that are keeping you stuck up here. And also a lot of faith, a lot of encouragement, and a lot of real talk. Because let's be honest, this journey isn't always easy, but it is so, so rewarding and it is so, so worth it. So if you're ready to stop playing small and finally step into what God has been calling you to do, hit that subscribe button and stick around, my girl, because we're about to do some amazing things together. And trust me, girl, you are in the right place. Welcome to Girls Gone Digital, and let's get started.